Hi, this is Aziz Khan, and in this video, we will learn how to place a picture as your background in Pathloss 5. This was basically asked by one of my students. She's from Kosovo, so she just wanted to learn that how we can do it. So basically, it's not very straightforward, but it's not difficult as well. Let's try to learn that how can we, because basically she wants to have the map of Kosovo on back of this. Like I have plotted these two Kosovo sites, just a random site. So just she wants the map to be on the background of it. In Pathloss 5, Pathloss does not take a map directly. In Pathloss 6, this is a easy option because you can have the Google as the backdrop. But how we can do it in Pathloss 5, this we will try to learn in just a minute. So here we can see that I have opened this map of Kosovo. So we have this Kosovo as the background. So basically, we can say that we need something from around here. I mean, from this place up to around this place so that we can have the full map. So let me try to add two temporary points here. I'm not sure this is how much easy it is on Google Map because I'm not so much good. But if we can have 2 points here, then we need to put the same 2 points on the path loss, and then what we can do is that we can bring this map on the background of path loss. So let me try to add 1 point here, add a missing place, and I just, but it will be adding as I want to add a kind of, okay, let me make it a bit easy. Like, let me, we should try to do it a bit of, you can say that a bit arbitrary. It's not, I'm not, as I said, I'm not very good in this. Let me just assume this 1 point. Okay, so when I put this 1 point here, I can see that I can have the coordinates of this point. This is 41.78785. So I will have to plot it, or I will have to put my one of my existing point at this place. So let me move this side and let me give, sorry, let me add a new site here. Okay, add site. And to this site, let me give, okay, let me go through site list because it's not accepting it correctly. So I will say map lower. So this will be the lower boundary of the map. And let me make this point again. This point is 41. Okay, from here I can get these values. Okay, let me copy this. So this is 41, and because that was the full part, so I break it into, so this is 41, 47, and 19. Let's see how, okay, so we have this point. This is the lower point of the map. So in the same way, we need to know some upper point of the map. We have to keep it in, if there is a way that I can make it a temporary point for a while. I'm not, as I was saying, I'm not very good in it, so I don't think so that I could put it as a temporary point. Okay, no problem. But we have to have in our mind that till which point we have to come. So assume that I will come up to, because we will need a picture between these 2 points, and then we will place the picture between these two exact point on the map. So first let me make a snap of this. So let me start from here, and sorry, I need to remove this part somehow. Okay. problem is that when you click anything, then it starts doing some of its own magic. Okay, so we have this. Okay, this is the map. We have somewhat idea of the starting point. So the ending point I will put in the middle of this place. Okay, now let me save it with the name of Kosovo. Okay, so we have the picture and our ending point was somewhere here. So I need, okay, so this is 43 something. Let me add this point. I hope you're getting the idea. We need the 2 points just to tell that this we have to basically geocode this picture. So for that we need 2 points. So I will give it the name of map upper and let me paste whatever I have got. This is, oh, I got a very big number. Okay, but from where I will get the other part of it? Okay, this is 21.89508. So 21.8950. Okay, so we have got these 2 points now. And just to verify, I'm just trying to verify. So we were somewhere from here to here. So this we can have a kind of ruler here. Okay, but what I guess is that because we have this 20 kilometer, so this should be around 110 or 120 kilometer length. So if I try to measure the distance between these 2 points, so let me make it, so this distance is around 250 kilometer, 242. So can we think that this could be 240 kilometer? Maybe yes, maybe no. But okay, I think that we may be good. So now we have the picture and we have made this. I because whoever needs it, I'm not very sure that they need it in a very perfect way. So if you need it in a very perfect way, then you need to get the coordinates of the endpoints very perfectly, and somehow you need to put these endpoints here as well so that you can select a map between these 2 points. So the steps to geocode this map is that you need the coordinates of the two extremes of the map, and then you have to copy that map that we have already copied. And now on path loss, it is now, you can say, very simple. You have to go to this, you have to click on this picture and then start from one and go to the other. Now whatever picture we will select, Pathloss will bring the picture in between these 2 points, or it will put this picture here. So when I drop it, it gives me the idea that okay, you need to put this picture. I say yes. So we can see that this was the place HN something, and our second point was somewhere here. So we were not able because it took the picture. I think there is some problem in getting the coordinates. What I personally feel is that maybe I was not able to get the coordinates correctly for this point because in our snapshot, this picture is here, okay, and the picture here. This is the place. I'm just trying to see that what wrong I have done here. Like this is okay. Let me try to update the other point and let me see. It looks like the same, that there is no big difference. Yeah, it moved, but not a lot. So basically, as we can see, that picture is not coming as accurately between these 2 points. This is 41, 48, and this is 43. This looks good, but why it has made the picture go outside? Because the picture. Okay, let me try to play something with the picture as well. Let me try to do some some magic with the picture. Okay, because if we are doing something, let's try to make it better for. Okay, so to this image, resize horizontal is fine. Vertical I want to make. No, it should not keep the same ratio. Okay, I want to. Yeah, I want to make it small like that. File, save as JPEG, and I want to save it on the same place. Kosovo new. Let me try if this works. So let me put this new picture. Okay, so now we can see that this picture has came on the right place. Great. Let's remove the other picture from the backdrop. So we have this picture, we can remove it. So, okay, now I think we are good. There was some, so now we see that we have taken this, one was this point and one was this point. We took these points and we plotted these points. Then we make a snapshot of the picture because the snapshot was basically, it's was coming as a square picture, but this place is not square as we can see on this map as well. If you run the snapping on this map, you can see from here that basically this is not a full square, and that's why it was not coming perfectly. So we have tried to make it as perfect as possible, and also because of the projections of path loss. I mean, for the GIS, there are different projections. So maybe Google is projecting it in some other way, and path loss because it takes the actual projection. So this may also be a reason because this is a kind of flat representation of the Earth. So but I hope you get a kind of idea that if you want any picture to be placed, then what you have to do is that you have to get the coordinates of the boundaries, like one on, you can say, the lower left and one on the upper right. Take these coordinates and then plot the coordinates on the map. Then try to get a picture which fits between the coordinates somehow, because if the picture is bigger, I mean it's not exactly within the coordinates, then we have to squeeze the picture somehow to bring it within the coordinates, and then we can use this camera button, and then we put this picture on the back of the um, as a background of Pathloss. So I hope that this video is understandable. In Pathloss version 6, Pathloss takes the back picture from the Google Maps directly, so it's not a issue in that. So see you in my some of my next video. Please share my videos, subscribe to my channel so that the reach of my channel increases, and the people who wants to learn path loss, they can know about the new features and whatever is available in path loss for that. So see you. Goodbye.